Oh, there. Let me see your hands. We're on a foot check.
Just after 9 a.m. on August 23rd, 2024, police were dispatched to a residence in Joliet, Illinois, following reports of an active domestic disturbance. Officers arrived to find a family argument that had already turned physical, with tensions escalating rapidly inside the home. One of the suspects drove off, which led Joliet police to follow him, and this is what happened afterwards.
Oh, there. Let me see your hands. We're on a foot check. Put your hands behind your back.
Stand by 22, has 50 of 24.
Turn around on your stomach.
Now.
You got it.
24, stand up, check.
I got it. Thank you. 25. We're fine with them, but we're 10-4. All right, let's get. All right, where's his one arm?
Right here.
Okay. All right.
Stop resisting. Watch out, watch out. Yeah, you fucking arm. Fucking arm.
Quit fucking touching me! Quit touching me!
Put your hand behind your back. Got it?
Thank you. You okay?
Hi, we're incoming at the townhouse, continuing slow it down, showing one in custody, 0 in town, making all of
Pussy.
25.
That's all you got?
Charlie, you're gonna spit blood on you.
Roll a 52. Subject's got two facial and all right.
Get the shackles. You have any in your car? Let it out.
Yeah, I'm getting weak. You're more.
Cut it out.
Cut what up?
Stop pushing your legs back.
Man, fuck y'all talk about. Get that shit off my motherfucking goddamn legs. Talk about I motherfucking rock shit.
Shut up.
Yeah, shut up.
Get on your side.
What?
Just camera.
Tough, right?
Cut it out, man.
You wanna do all that bullshit? I don't give a fuck.
Douglas Yates.
Let's get him on the sidewalk.
Harassment. Fuck y'all.
Shut up.
Yeah, you should.
Hey, lift the back of his shirt over his head so he can't spit again.
Put your little bag on my head. I can't breathe now. Yeah, I can. I could. Put the little thing on my head. I'm cool. Don't do nothing more.
Nah,
Yo, weak as hell. You weak as hell, bro. You weak as hell. Weak as hell. Y'all look for this shit, right? Man, don't push me.
I'm gonna do whatever it
Man,
makes sense.
yo.
Okay? Calm down.
Man, you calm
I
down.
don't need you spitting blood.
Weak ass. Fuck you talking about. Weak ass. You got me already, right? You got me already, right?
Stay down, calm
You
down.
got me already, right? Fuck you talking about. You ain't talking about nothing.
Hey, do you mind
You ain't talking about nothing.
Yeah, you got blood on your hand. Other
You
one.
got bread on your head. Fuck you talking about.
No.
What you arresting me for? Nothing. What did I do? Walking down my fucking sidewalk. What? What did you arresting me for, man?
Oh, you know what? Oh, you're the wrong guy. Oh, let's let him go.
Yeah,
Let's let him go.
Yes, please.
The wrong guy.
Right. What the did I do? Tell me what the did I do? What the am I charged for? No, you just sitting there for look good, right? Sunglasses on and shit.
Didn't even take him off either.
Yeah, you did. You just popped them on. You just popped them on.
Took him off, bro.
Yeah, okay. You don't give me that bullshit.
Never took him off.
You give me
My
that
hair didn't
bullshit.
even get messed up.
Shit, I thought my shit was slick back, baby. What the fuck are you talking about? What did I do? Oh, I ain't even spit on nobody. That was my sweat. I ain't spit on nobody. I ain't do nothing. I was my own business walking down. I've been sitting here for 5 minutes. Proper call, sir.
You want to ride up and I'll follow?
Your spot's nicer. I'll ride up. We'll get him on the cot. Hang on, let's get a quick search on him.
What am I getting charged for?
Oh, yeah.
What are you getting arrested for?
We'll let you know. All right, we're gonna get you on the cot. Put your knee forward. Put your knee forward so we don't have to drag you.
Put your knees forward. Like that.
All right, we're gonna send you a watch cam.
Let's just take on these. That one side.
All right, hang on.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Since y'all motherfuckers don't want to talk
You guys
about
wanna
y'all.
do one?
What the am I charged for?
Sit down. Lay down.
Stay down.
Yeah, I think y'all about 5 y'all ass nigga, right?
Oh, come on. Don't spit, dude.
All
Come
right,
on.
act back now.
We got to spit, Hood. Are you going to spit at us? Because otherwise we'll put a hood on you. Douglas, this is the paramedic
You just
talk,
spit
not
on,
the cop.
act back now.
Okay. Do not spit. Pop that thing. I got it.
Ah, fuck you motherfuckers. You bitch ass motherfuckers. Motherfucker.
Get a spit hood. Yeah, go.
Motherfucker.
Don't cry, we're here.
Fuck you,
Here to help
motherfucker.
you. Don't cry.
Oh my god.
We're here to help you. Relax. You're gonna be okay. Yeah, we're getting on right now.
Yeah, you got that right. Spit not one time, right? Not one time you don't get a spit.
It's on camera.
Yeah, okay, I'm good. How many, bitch?
The right one's locked.
How many motherfuckers pussy out bitch? Pussy out police. 5 people, y'all, right?
Where'd you park my swan? The locked?
Yeah, so like a little people.
Alright, let me, I'll ride up with 'em.
Yeah, fuck you, bitch.